I'm Ryman Wiemann. I'm from Aeromethod. I'm owner, operator, purchaser, programmer, everything. I use Lyndex-Nikken products. The Lyndex-Nikken products I use are SK, ER, shrink fit, shell mill holders, and I'm gonna get some of those MMC holders as well. And yeah, that's what I use. The applications I use Lyndex-Nikken holders for are aluminum, titanium, stainless, plastic, PEEK, all that stuff. I use side lock holders too. High mix, low volume machining is what I do. So I need my holders and everything to work the first time I use them. I would recommend Lyndex-Nikken products to other people in the industry because they have a huge assortment of different things. So you can really kind of go to them for all your needs, which is convenient. You don't have to pick and choose, and you kind of know everything. The quality is consistent throughout, which I think is awesome.